Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Acosta with momisdesigns, and in this channel you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs, how to price them, how to sell them, and where to get them at wholesale. Let me get ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this item. This is a flower press kit you can use in the microwave. So what we're going to be doing, the instructions tells me that I can do, depending on the flower, I can do 5 minutes, 1 minute at a time. But I found that 5 minutes is too long and it burned my flower. So we're going to be doing a minute and open it up and work like that. In the past, I have another video. If you'd rather do that, I'm going to put the description of that video up here. In that video, I show you how to dry your flowers just by putting them in the dark spot, but it takes longer. Like these are flowers that I did, that I left them on a paper towel until they were okay. I would check them like every 3 days, and these ones here as well. So I have quite a few that I have done, but today we're going to go ahead and try this kit right here. These other ones, I put them all the petals inside my Bible, and it took about 7 days to dry and be ready. You can do little things like this. Like I did this one with it. I put it on top of candles. I mean, you can do a lot of resin stuff of different kinds. So what we're gonna do is, like, this kit comes with 2 of each, 2 of these plastic with holes that you put one underneath and one on top. It has these filters that you put one underneath and top, and then it comes with 4 filters. So you use 2 and then use 2. So you put it here, like right there. And then you go ahead and put your flowers like so. So we're going to be making these ones here. So we're going to go ahead and add them. And we're going to leave them like, I cut them all the way down. And I'm going to put them right here. Okay. So right there, and then we're going to go ahead and use this one here. Again, I'm just going to cut all the way to the top, put it right in there, right there, just like that. Then we're going to do this one here. See how that one comes out. So we put them all facing one way, so I have mine more like facing this way, and I'm going to show you why. So this one here, we're going to do this one like that, and we're going to go ahead and do this one here. Let's go ahead and do the other one right there, and then I'm going to do this one and see what it does. Okay, this is one of these, but just is beginning to open up barely. So we're going to do that. Okay, and then we're going to try different ones. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it, and because all my flowers are facing this way, I'm going to start from here and go back just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the filter on top, and I'm going to go ahead and put the plastic on top, and then I'm going to get the rubber band that goes right in the middle just like that. And let's go to the microwave for the next step. Okay, here we go. We're in front of the microwave, so we're going to go ahead and put it in. There you go. And we're just going to go ahead and press the number 1, and that's going to be doing 1 minute. Okay, so here it is. We're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to start peeling the layers one by one. So this one gets like a little humid on the outside, and then we get the one filter, And here's the moment of truth. So here we go. So there you go, guys. In 1 minute, your flowers are ready in just 1 minute. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. So now I'm going to take these off slowly, and I'm going to put them aside. What we're going to try to do, we're going to go ahead and do this one here. So these ones here are these ones. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and give it a try with some green leaves, and this one right here, see how it comes out. So we just go ahead and lay them down, and we're going to do a minute and see what happens. Okay, so here goes the cover, here goes the filter, here goes the square, the plastic square, and here we go. Here's the second one, 1 minute. So here we go, same process again. One minute is fine. Look at that. Look at how nice. Look at how nice and dry they are. This is a hibiscus flower, so I'm going to see how that one comes out, just to see. Again, I did this one with just 1 minute, so here we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, I'm impressed. There you go, guys. So I think it's worth the investment, really. I'm going to put a link in the description box, or where you can buy it. For now, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.